Hi everyone and welcome to another video. I am the Speaking Bear and today's phrase is don't sweat it. The definition says don't worry about it. So don't sweat it is a metaphor. Let's say you think you did something bad, or if you're nervous, you start to sweat. So this is a metaphor. When someone tells you don't sweat it, it means don't worry about it. So the first example says it's fine, you're late, don't sweat it. So maybe you came to class a little bit late, there was traffic, or you couldn't find parking, so you came about 10 to 15 minutes late to class. Your professor says, it's fine you're late, don't sweat it. That means do not worry about it, okay? The second example and the location is at a coffee shop. So you and your friend are studying and your friend spills a little bit of coffee on the table. It's not a big deal. So what you would say is, oh, don't sweat it. It's just a little bit of a spill. It's not a big deal. You want to make sure that your friend knows he or she did not do anything wrong. You would say, oh, don't sweat it. It's just a little bit of a spill. So the last example is maybe for a school project. And as you know, school projects are very important. You want to get a good grade. You want to make sure that everyone in the team is communicating with each other. So during a school project, a team member apologizes for missing the meeting. Again, you want to reassure your teammate that he or she did not do anything wrong. It happens. They apologized. They acknowledged it, right? They're self-aware. So you would say, don't sweat it. I will catch you up on what you missed. That means that you will tell them what they have missed in the meetings before, so that way they are aware of what is happening in the project. So again, today's phrase is don't sweat it, and it means to not worry about it. And we'll see you in the next video.